Welcome, today I am with Redmi Note 8 2021 and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So at first we are going to start from the standard modes. When you are in the photo mode, we can increase or decrease brightness level. You have to tap on the screen, move this sun icon, like that. As you can see, the brightness level has changed. You can also set it up automatically by tapping on the screen. When you tap right here, and when you are in the photo mode, you can add a delay to your shutter. You can select between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's pick for example 3 seconds, click outside and then tap on the shutter. As you can see, after 3 seconds, photo was taken. We can also add to our screen grid lines by tapping right here and select this option. Right now, this help lines shows on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. For example, if you want to put something inside, like our logo, with these lines, you are able to make it definitely easier. Right now we are going to the video mode. I'm gonna turn off this shutter. So we are going to switch to the video mode, where you can also change the brightness level. It looks the same like in the photo mode. When you tap right here, you are able to quickly change color and temperature by using these filters. So you don't have to get any external application from the Play Store. You can change it straight in this phone application. I'm gonna switch to the normal. Right now we are going to move for the photo settings. So we have to go for the photo mode, tap right here and then go for the settings. Right now you are able to mark your photos. You can use the watermark, you can add the time and the date stamp on the photos, and also we can add the device watermark. You can also customize, you can add your own signature, click save and just take a look. Right now when you go for that photo, in the left bottom corner you will find the exact date. In the right bottom corner, date and time, and model of your device and also your signature. You can also turn it off by unselecting these two marks. Another useful option you will find right here. We can change volume button function between shutter, shutter countdown, zoom or volume. This one is my favorite, so take a look how it works. The volumes button you can find right here on the right edge. And take a look. When you press volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in to the 10 times. And right now we can zoom out by pressing volume down button. And we can also switch lenses. As you can see right now, we are in the ultra wide lens. Let's go back and we can activate another option. It's called focus and the shot. So to enable you have to tap on the switcher, and right now you can take photo by tapping on the screen. So you don't have to tap on this shutter right here. For example, when you hold your phone like that and you cannot reach this shutter, it will be definitely useful for you. So you have to catch focus and then just take photo. And the last option that we can use, it's a Google Lens. You have to tap right here, but you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And right now, if you are looking for something around you, for example, I would like to get more information about this smartphone. So you have to just put it like that. When this blue dot appears on the item, you have to tap on the shutter. And right now you will get web searches. And that's my phone, Asus Zenfone 7 Pro. So you can find information about this product. You can also go for the shopping to get offers, and you can buy, for example, this device. Okay, so that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.